My name is Shubham Tayade. I am a third year student of Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, which is under the Department of Space, Government of India, that is the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. The experience was superb and fantastic. So in the last month, I learned a different type of technologies and I worked on different type of innovative projects. From the first day, I took the training from 2 to 3 days where I self-explored and learned the things. I basically mainly worked on the Arduino and Arduino related projects. So the projects included like a Bluetooth, that is the smart car, then the line following car, then the obstacle avoiding car, and then the mopping car. Then apart from that, I also worked on the satellite designing part and the satellite electronics part also called as avionics. I also learned about the Tinkercad designing, 3D printing, etc. So overall it was a learning on which I can rate it as a 10 on 10. The people are amazing here, they are like too supportive, too much helpful, and they also used to provide information when I needed. The reality is more than my expectations. So first of all, when I came, so I was not aware of, I just saw the videos and I just saw the website. But when I came here and I started to do the things on my own, hands-on. So after that, the feeling, the happiness, the knowledge and the skills which I gained here, that was fantastic. So that was the goosebumps thing for me. Initially, I faced some of the trouble to manage them because that was the new thing for me. But as soon as the day passed and by the guidance of Anil sir and the team here, so I started to manage with them. And so if some of the kid is facing problem, so I was also trying to explain the same thing in his way. So if he is asking in a childish manner, I was also giving the answer in the childish manner only. If he is asking me the question in a highly scientific way, so I was also trying to give the proper answer in the scientific way only. So that was the compatibility I made, and that was the changes I inculcated in myself. No, earlier I had no teaching experience because I was just a student. After that I joined the college and there also I was a student. So no opportunity for teaching. But after coming here, I thought that, if I plan to go for teaching, I can do that. The best memory, I think that was the satellite designing part. When I came after 2 to 3 days, I got a task to complete the designing and the working prototype of the YTSat 2.0, that is Young Thinker satellite. On the first day, I faced a lot of problems, I was not understanding anything. But the resources and the guidance from the team helped me to identify the problem and how to approach towards the solution. So I just understand the problem first and then I moved towards the solution. I followed the step-by-step process and I gradually completed the satellite, and at last when the satellite was working, I was getting the results at the ground station. So that was one of the best experience I would like to share with my friends, with my college, because I also belong to the college which is related to space. The satellite part is one of the related thing. That is why this is the best experience, and I want to share and spread information about it. Academy name is Young Thinker, so that means it is only the tinkering part or technical part. It is more than that, as I already said. So the management thing, then how to set up the things from the scratch. I went to the Tinker Space 2085. So it is also a place in the Odisha. We went there and at that time we got a task to set up the Tinker Lab or the Tinker Space there. So we went with the pegboard and all the equipments, and there were rural students and there were teachers who was not aware of anything. But when we told them you have to do this type of things, so they set all the things on their own. I learned how to manage things, how to lead any particular task, then how to face a problem which is not related to my field, which is not related to my background or something like that. How to excel in any task if we have the desire. I will miss the Young Thinker Academy a lot. Such type of things we can't find anywhere else. I am a young thinker.